This is not you, okay? Exactly, not the hair. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique. If you're new here, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and like this video if you liked it. All right, y'all, so for today's video, I'm going to be giving you all the details about this hair, okay? So this is a 5x5 lace closure wig in deep wave. It is Mongolian hair. It's 24 inches long, and I got it in the 250% density and from CURLYME hair. Beautiful, gorgeous hair. I purchased this hair on August 4th and it got to me on August 11th. So about a week of shipping and processing and things like that for it to reach me in Georgia. For 24 inches of this 5x5 lace closure wig and a 250% density, I paid about $250 for this hair. Now, let me go ahead and get into the pros and cons of this hair. The pros, listen y'all, the hair looks beautiful. The curls, amazing. You see this. Now, keep in mind, this does have product in it, and I'll get to what I use on this hair in just a second. But the curls, even when there's no product in it, they're very nice, very fluffy, very soft. When I washed this hair, there wasn't a lot of shedding. I could run my fingers through it. It was very, very easy for me to detangle and wash this hair when I first got it. I did dye it jet black, so I did process it, and I also bleached the knots myself. So this entire install, I did it myself. I bleached the knots, I colored it, I installed it, I cut the lace, everything, I did it myself. The hair also came packaged really nicely in a nice, cute CURLYME box. It was very easy for me to bleach the knots. I think I bleached them twice. And that was like one of my first times ever getting the knots bleached correctly. So I was really proud of myself when it came to that. So you don't have to worry about that. The lace is not thick at all. As you can see, hopefully you'll be able to tell, like, you can't really see where my lace is at unless you're just like all up in my business. But this is the lace. Now my baby hairs are a little old, so excuse that, but this is the lace. Also, the hair did not come pre-plucked. You do have to pluck it yourself if you are interested in doing that. I learned how to install this entire wig by myself from Caroline A here on YouTube. I will leave her video down below. Look, I already bleached my knots. They look a little over bleached, but that's okay. Tinted my lace with my foundation. I plucked the hairline as best as not as best as I could, but just in a way that worked for me. I might go back in and pluck some more. She's the one that put me onto this wig, and then she's also the same person that I learned how to customize my hair from. When I tell you, she's the easiest person to follow when it comes to learning how to pluck a wig. That's pretty much it for the pros, okay? Like, the hair is beautiful. The hair is beautiful. That's my biggest pro. Now, the cons. If you're looking for hair that is low maintenance, if you're looking for hair that you can just get up and go, this is not the hair. This is not the hair. This is not you, okay? Exactly, not the hair. You're going to need to do your hair every single day. You're gonna have to wet this hair every day. You're gonna have to manipulate it in some way every day so that way you can look fairly presentable. Now, the hair does frizz up, which is fine with me. I don't have no issue with that. But if you are deciding to sleep in this hair, which I've been sleeping in it. And I told myself I wasn't gonna sleep in it, but I have been. And so when you wake up in the morning and you take it down from whatever you have it in, it might be a bit, you know, a little crunchy, it might need some more TLC. So keep that in mind if you do decide to purchase this hair. This is an install that you will have to maintain about every single day. You will need to do something with it every single day. So do not get it if you think this is about to be some easy hair. It's not, babe. It's gonna give you a run for your money. It does tangle. It's curly hair, right? So keep that in mind. This isn't gonna be hair that you could just run your fingers through all the time. I usually don't touch my hair. The most that I'll do when it comes to touching my hair is I'll probably do this just to kind of get it off of my face, or I'll do this just to like make it a little bit bigger throughout the day, or whatever the case may be, but I'm never running my fingers through it at all. It does shed. It's gonna shed every time you comb it, every time you comb a brush through it just to get the curls more defined. There will be hair that's lost, but from my experience, it hasn't been anything too crazy or too wild. It doesn't necessarily like fill up my floor with hair, but there will be hair on the floor, obviously, if you are combing through your hair and getting yourself prepared for the day. The hair does tangle, it does shed. You will need to maintain it about every single day. Now, would I recommend sleeping in this hair? Not necessarily. If you don't have to, I say try not to sleep in this hair, but I just, I sleep in it. Sometimes I just sleep in it. Now let's get into the product that I use in my hair to define the curls. I use the Elastic QP liquid styling gel. You can find this at your beauty supply store. I paid $5.29 for mine. It is a blue liquidy gel. I won't pour it out. It does smell fairly good. It's okay, right? I mean, does it smell good? Yeah, it smells fairly good. It's like this blue liquid gel. It will define your hair. Now, if you put too much of this in your hair, it is going to leave your curls a bit crunchy, but that's okay. You can definitely like comb through it, but don't rake it all the way through, just to break up the crunchiness of the hair and to fluff the hair a little bit more. Now, I deliberately put a lot of this product in my hair so that way the curls can stay defined just a little bit longer throughout the week. So, the more that you use, the more defined that your hair is going to be. In order to lay this hair, I use the Eben Wonderlace adhesive spray. I have it in this red packaging. I have it in the red packaging and the black packaging as well. To me, I don't really see the difference, if that makes sense. This one is just easy for me to travel with, whereas the bigger one is obviously the bigger bottle and I can't travel with that one. So I spray the lace down with this, and then I take my blow dryer with cool air and I blow dry it down. That's what I do. That's how I get my hair on my head. To comb my hair, I use a paddle brush. I spray my hair with water. I put some of this liquid styling gel on it, and then I just rake this all the way through while the hair is damp. Just like that, and I scrunch it up to define the curls more. And then after that, I just let it air dry, let it do its own thing. So yeah, I'm gonna sit up a little bit higher so you all can see. This is 24 inches on me. I'm 5'4". Some of the hair is a little bit longer than the other. I think it's because I'm pulling the hair from the back. This is all the hair pulled up to the front. So you do get a good amount of hair. And then this is the back. But yeah, this is the hair, y'all. So if you are interested in purchasing this hair, I will leave a link down below so that way you all can purchase from them. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to get back to you. But other than that, I think the hair is fairly good. Would I purchase this hair again? Yes, I would. I'd purchase it again. But I know that it's not going to be a low maintenance hairstyle. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Don't say I didn't tell you, babe. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.